Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upscale your photo in Canva. This is a great way to improve image quality and make photos look sharper and more professional. Now, on your Canva dashboard, let's say we want to upload a new photo. For example, let's insert this new image. Once the image is inserted and you want to upscale it, all you have to do is click your image and select Edit. Once you're here, just click Adjust. In the tools, you can adjust the sharpness to make the image clearer. For clarity, simply adjust the clarity slider. For vignette, just adjust it to make the image more precise and clear. Once you're done, click Save. That's how we upscale a photo in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can enhance our images and get better results for our designs.